Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are going to be doing a grocery haul. I have failed. I wanted to do a 2-week grocery haul, but with this mini fridge it's just really tricky to kind of plan what you're going to have, especially when we're moving into spring and all we want are fresh foods. From here on out, we are going to do weekly grocery hauls. I'm announcing this week's giveaway winner right after the haul, and then I will show you our meal plan for the week and kind of what I have figured out with the meals that we have in the haul. You will see it's pretty healthy. I tried to shop on a budget, but of course we did get some items that we needed, just like typicals, diapers, all the things. I love Walmart because the replacement system, they'll replace you with a brand name if they don't have it, or they'll replace you with something larger. So the diapers that we ordered, actually we paid for $8, I believe, and we ended up getting 124, which is the $29.99 box. So I was really excited about that. Sometimes you luck out and it's, you know, one of those moments if you believe in it, and someone knew we really needed it. So yeah, we're really excited. Let's jump right into the haul. Here is everything laid out. I feel like I always say this, but we're going to try something new. I thought maybe if I had time every now and again, I would just give you the cost of the actual item when I'm showing you it. I don't know. I like watching videos like that because I can see, you know, what prices vary from what store, from what location, and I really enjoy it. So that is what I'm doing in this video. We are going to start over here with some asparagus. We like asparagus in just about everything. My favorite way is to steam it with some caramelized onions and then sprinkle it with some toasted pecans or walnuts. And then for my husband, he really likes gorgonzola cheese on that. I did get some mini cucumbers. I actually like really putting this in cold water lately, and sushi bowls as well. So russet potatoes, of course. I got more potatoes. These were the ones that were on sale this week. I forgot to mention that all of these items were based off of the sale prices. Now, the Pepperidge Farmhouse sourdough bread was a substitution. There's actually milk in this. The one that I got didn't have milk in it, but that is okay. The family can enjoy that. I got some Reynolds wrap, $4.32 for this. It's actually for my classroom. We're doing a project in 2nd grade that involves colored Sharpies and foil. Next up are going to be these bananas. I asked for organic. They did not have any, so that is why we got a bunch for $1.09, but normally they are relatively inexpensive while organic. I was really excited about this one. This rice was $5.20. I got 2 boxes of it, but there's 17 servings in this box. I didn't know that. I feel like that's quite a bit of rice. Rice is super filling. We eat it all the time. I have been really loving the instant rice recently. I'm sure you can tell. I normally would just bake my rice, the 2-pound bags, but this is just so easy to pop on the stove and then put something with it, vegetables and a protein and a healthy fat, and then call it good. Next up are going to be these salad mixes. So I got this Caesar salad mix. The kids love Caesar salad, and they will eat any vegetable I put in that salad. So they really enjoyed this. I'm actually whipping this up right now and putting some toasted quinoa on it, and they love that as well. I got the romaine hearts. They're actually a little wilted and sad looking, but that's okay. And they're quite a bit smaller than what I remember. I stopped buying them for a while. The eggs, of course, we need 12 of them for $1.65. We normally get them from the neighbor, but the hens haven't been having any lately. So we have some spinach here. I like to throw that in salads. The Caesar salad is the best. Sometimes I put it in smoothies, but I really enjoy fresh spinach all year around. And then I did get the taco kit, hard and soft shell kit for the double tacos that we didn't get to make this week specifically because we didn't have soft tacos. So this guarantees that we have both. Then we have the broccoli and cauliflower. I'm actually using the cauliflower for a Alfredo sauce for myself, and then I add cheese and like bacon to the kids, but it's just another way to get in vegetables. And then I have some corn here. I'm making some elote quinoa. I will show you the meal plan here in a bit, but it is super delicious and actually good for you, so I really enjoy it. And then over here I have an apple. I'm just mixing this with my curried chickpea salad for lunches. And then I do have some avocados. Instead of mayo, I just like to use an avocado. And then I do have some brown gravy here. We're making chicken and waffles, and it's like 30 cents. So I got 2 of those. And I got some black beans. I like to mix my black beans with the rotel and make it into like a taco meat, if you will. I just bake it with a whole mess of taco seasoning, and that's my filling for tacos, enchiladas. Sometimes I add potatoes to this to make it stretch, but it's super delicious. Then I have some green chilies here. That's going with the elote quinoa dip. It's so, so yummy. It's actually in the ebook if you download that in the description down below. And then I got Ritz Bits. They had these at school, and Wilder calls them small crackers, and he wants them all the time. So not a huge fan of them, but whatever I can do to get them to eat. And then we have some apple juice, organic apple juice. We just do like a splash of it in their water. My husband requested chicken. This was the cheapest chicken they had, 5 pounds for $4.37 or something like that, which is, I think that's a good deal. I don't know. It didn't come frozen though. I thought they would be frozen, so that's okay. I'm going to bake them and just take the meat off of it and bake it into recipes this week, but it's quite a bit of chicken for that amount. Then I got some green onions. I took the ones in the windowsill and planted them in the garden, so I just needed to replenish. I get green onions maybe once every 2 months or 3 months because I just regrow them every single time, and I love it. It makes me so proud to look at my windowsill. And then I have all-purpose unbleached flour. I am going to make some bagels with this. I'm also going to make some waffles with this, and then some homemade bread. And then I have some Colby Jack cheese and some marbled cheese. This is the cheapest cheese they had. I noticed like Swiss and mozzarella and Sharp was closer to $3, where they were $1 something. I'm not sure. And then I have American cheese. My husband loves Philly cheesesteaks and only likes American cheese on them. So that is why we spent $7 on this American cheese. And then we have some Italian 5 cheese mac and cheese. I thought this was frozen, so I was hoping I could just pop it in the oven when we come home at night and it would be easy, but it's just boxed macaroni. Equally easy, but it just takes a little bit more time. And then I have sour cream here, as well as some cream cheese. We're going to mix a little bit of that into the elote quinoa dip, bake, whatever you want to call that. Maybe a casserole, if you will, but they're super cheap, and I always get them whenever I go to Walmart. Then last but not least, I have the waffle maker. We love chicken and waffles, or like turkey and mashed potatoes and gravy and waffles, but I like my homemade ones better. We just didn't have a waffle maker, so I splurged. That was $7.98. And then I did get a pineapple because mine has some roots, but I'm not going to grow a pineapple in a week, so I got another one. They're super delicious. I love pineapple. And yeah, that is it. So I have all of this stuff to put away here, and stay tuned. Coming up, I am going to announce the giveaway winner. I'm super excited. So many comments, so much support. I just felt so truly humbled. So I'm going to put everything into this random comment picker, and our winner is Raven Brown. Congratulations, Raven. My email is linked in the description box down below. Just go ahead and give me a holler and I will get you your free gifts. All right, I came into the kids' room for a little bit of peace and quiet. I wanted to jump on here because of the giveaway. I am super excited that I get to pick one person, but it doesn't recognize all the people that truly support me. So I am not a huge believer in everybody gets a gift or everybody gets a prize, but I'm not Oprah, so I can't give everyone an iPad or something like that. I'm a small creator. I thought maybe since everyone commented and was so supportive that I would give away my first ebook for free. So I'd like to move into seasonal ebooks, starting with this spring ebook. They'll each have 6 to 10 recipes. It will give you a grocery list of what you will be needing, and then it will give you the recipes. So I'm super excited to announce that. I will leave it dropped in the description below, and let me know your feedback on it, because I would like to eventually sell these for $4 to $6. So all you have to do is download the PDF in the description box below, and you can print it out, you can see it on your phone, or do whatever you want with it. So I thought this would be a good segue into announcing that I am creating ebooks, creating my recipes, kind of staying on a budget and seeing how that goes. I might do weekly meal planners or something like that, but I'm really excited. So feel free to get that link and have yourself a free ebook. Okay, friends, so I will say this, it's basically the same plan as last week, but with a few additions, because I was going to try and do like a $10 challenge, maybe make it $15, but I did want to show you that breakfast and lunches are the same as last week. So chickpea curry salad, burrito bowls, sushi bowls, and we're going to skip the chili and cornbread since we ate all of that last week. We just had that for lunches the whole week. And then breakfast, sorry, going in reverse here, fruit, I have some bagels left, and my husband will have burritos, and then I also have celery with peanut butter. I've been really loving that for breakfast. I don't know why, but that is another contender. And then for dinners, we had pineapple fried rice, but we did the noodles. We didn't do the enchiladas yet, but fettuccine alfredo is on the list with that cauliflower that I was talking about. Double tacos we need to do. We actually did sushi night, but I've done sushi so much on the channel. I didn't know if you wanted to see it. Let me know if you want to see it, but I don't know. It's basically the same thing every time. It looks really pretty though. If you want me to film it, I would be happy to. I did baked barbecue chicken and tofu, and then the potato salad, I just did some potatoes, and then I didn't feel like waiting for it to cool, so we just had like seasoned potatoes. So I do want to make some potato salad. I want to do the fettuccine alfredo and double tacos, but I also wanted to do chicken and waffles and buffalo chicken mac and cheese, and then some bagel sandwiches for like a breakfast for dinner kind of scenario. So I also wanted to include that in our meal plan, but I'm like looking back on my list and it's basically the same thing. I don't mind going to the grocery store every week. I actually don't go in. It's just a pickup for me. It's just so much easier, and I can have my fresh items. So I don't mind that this is actually happening. Normally I'd be like, I want a month grocery haul and this will be what we're going to eat. But our life is just too, I'm not going to call it chaotic, but it's just spontaneous, I guess. I'm not really sure what to call it, but you know, there's a bunch of wrenches in the road that just like you have to adapt to. So having a plan for meals is nice. It's nice to have these plans. It's nice to have the ingredients, but it's difficult to do it for the 2 weeks or for the month, if that makes sense. I know I'm kind of rambling. It's Sunday and I get the Sunday scaries, so my anxiety is through the roof, but that is gonna do it. Let me get you turned around. All right, that is going to do it. I'm trying to find like the best lighting. It's so late, but here I am. Big shout to Raven Brown. Congratulations. Don't forget to email me. My email is listed in the description box down below. Don't forget to download that free ebook and let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any suggestions or maybe some recipes you want to see coming up in the summer. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone.